I've been putting on my face.
Hi guys, welcome back to a clean with me, and this is going to be a really real clean with me because I'm going to do this vlog style only because everyone thinks my house is always clean. Everyone thinks I'm always cleaning a clean house, but I'm going to show you a freaking clean house right now. There is a bowl that one of my girls left here from supper. Does this bowl go right here? No, it goes wherever it's supposed to go. The trash can, the sink. But do you think that they ever do what I say? Probably not. Let's move on over to here. This is my mess. My leftover Japanese food. And my beer I was drinking. Just kidding, it's not beer, obviously. But I was just lazy and I left it here for like the last 30 minutes. Then I have some jackets over here, just chilling here, you know, super clean house. And here are some Christmas decorations that I am collecting. I'm getting ready for Christmas. Let's move on over to right here. This does not go here. We have no bananas, so why is it out? Fall candy. I'm going to be changing this to Christmas whenever I decorate for Christmas, so watch out for that video. We also have a sink full of dishes over here. Aubrey, time to wash the dishes. Washing the dishes is one of Aubrey's chores because she does have a cell phone. She's 11 and she has a cell phone, which you guys know I work for a cell phone company, so I do get a really good discount on that, but she does earn every penny of it. Moving on to this side of the kitchen, and I almost tripped over something back there if you heard. This is the leftover spaghetti from supper. I'm letting it cool down right there. My stove is still a mess. This goes in the microwave. You know. Mom didn't put it back. I don't even know why this is here. Let's put this in the sink with the rest of the dishes. Oh yeah. And I bought this new Christmas tree. It's just like a small Christmas tree that I'm gonna add somewhere in my house, probably beside my entryway table. I got it at Walmart today. Just chilling in my floor beside the trash can. It's a really cute flocked tree, and I bought a brand new, huge, like 10-foot tree last year because we moved in this house and it was new. So I'm not gonna buy a whole new flocked tree or a whole bunch of new stuff, but I did like that, so I went ahead and picked it up because it was at Walmart and it was a really good price. Moving over to this side of the counter, we have some hot cocoa I bought today. We have Ainsley's little phone she uses on Wi-Fi. We have some mail. We have some thank you cards. We have some Bath & Body Works coupons. We have some of the best in the world Hershey Kisses. We have a lunchbox that needs to go up. We have some cupcakes that were 75% off at Walmart today, so of course I bought them. We have my purse right here. We have a JoJo Siwa costume. Who knows why it's right here? And we have a random vacuum right here. It's not even charging, so it's just chilling there. So yes, my house is not always clean. Let's go in the living room and see what it looks like. Shall we? Okay, are y'all ready? Living room is not too bad, but we do have some shoes right there. As you can tell, my floor needs to be vacuumed very badly. But the pillows could be a little more straight and the blankets could be folded, but I'm not really that worried about it right now. This right here doesn't get too bad because, well, let's face it, who comes over here? I really want to get rid of these DVDs. Somebody please talk Alex into letting me get rid of these DVDs. And then we keep this box right here because Piper likes to jump up on things, you know, things and break stuff. So we just put that right there so she doesn't jump up there. It doesn't always stop her, but most of the time it does. Wow, this is probably the cleanest spot in my house. Probably dusty, but it's pretty clean over here. Let's go in this room. What are you doing in your floor?
I'm texting my friend.
Well, she's texting her friend on the phone that she's about to stop using so she can wash the dishes. This is her mess. You know, just the normal mess that we never have. All right here. Oh, there's me. Hello. Ainsley, can we show your mess?
No, it's too messy.
It's too messy? Let's find out. So here's Ainsley's room. She keeps it pretty clean for the most part, but right now she's been counting her money and it's just chilling on the floor. And then we have some drawers open, some beds that aren't made, and
Some just went.
oh, I'm sorry. And then we have this. What do you think you're doing over here, young lady?
Watching YouTube.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now you guys see that my house is a natural disaster. I'm a normal human being, even though I'm on YouTube and I show my house clean a lot. It's not always clean, guys. But we're about to start cleaning it, and I'm going to take you guys along with me as I do that too, but it's going to be time-wise because who wants to watch me clean my house for an hour? Not you guys, so I'm going to speed it up and let's get it done. Also, I wanted to mention that I am working with Grove in this video. It's not sponsored or anything, but they are giving my subscribers this entire set for free. Even comes with a little cleaning caddy for Christmas. And last year I got the peppermint for my exclusive scent. I actually ordered all of them, but I did a giveaway, and then the peppermint I used for myself. But this one is the one I'm going to be using this year, and you guys are going to love it. There's 3 different ones you can choose from, but go ahead and get yours for free. All the links are going to be in the description box down below. But I just love this cleaning caddy. I have the white one and I have the red one, and it just looks so cute for Christmas.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old.
So I'm not really showing you guys me picking up everything. I'm just gonna show you guys when I vacuum and wipe off the counters and stuff like that, because basically I have a million things to pick up, because everybody doesn't pick up after themselves around this house. And while I was filming that last clip, my daughter called me out and said, "Including yourself, Mom." She's right. I leave my shoes around too, and my messes, as I showed you in the beginning of the video. We're all human. We all make messes. We all get lazy. So there's that.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else.
All right, so now that I've got the house pretty much cleaned up, I'm in the garage and I am getting the Dyson, because that's where we keep it. Right here. Yeah, like you guys needed to see this, but I just thought I'd show you. It's in the garage. like I said, this is gonna be a real life clean with me, so why not just take you guys with me to get the vacuum out of the garage? And I can't speak. Let's go ahead and use this thing.
Got me feeling like I'm walking on air, still I'm fading. I'm so scared of misbehaving. I'm laying low. Got me trying